Get ready to master the art of SEO. In the next few minutes, we'll provide a comprehensive guide that will demystify the world of search engine optimization. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear and complete understanding of SEO, empowering you to optimize your website and achieve online success. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of SEO together. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of SEO, covering everything from its definition to how it works, its importance in digital marketing, keyword research, optimization techniques, and much more. So, if you've ever wondered, what is SEO, or how does it work, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Let's begin by answering the question, what is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. In simple terms, it's about making your website more attractive to search engines so that it appears higher in search results. SEO is a crucial component of digital marketing. In today's digital landscape, where competition is fierce, having a strong online presence is vital for businesses. By implementing SEO strategies, you can attract organic traffic to your website and reach your target audience more effectively. One of the key aspects of SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases that users type into search engines when looking for information or solutions. Proper keyword research helps businesses identify relevant and high-traffic keywords related to their products or services. Once you've identified your target keywords, the next step is optimizing your website. This involves on-page and off-page optimization techniques. On-page optimization focuses on optimizing individual web pages by incorporating keywords into titles, meta descriptions, headers, and URLs. Off-page optimization, on the other hand, involves activities outside of your website that influence your search engine rankings. One important off-page SEO strategy is building backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that direct users to your site. They indicate to search engines that your website is valuable and authoritative. There are different types of SEO, such as on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing the content and structure of your website, while off-page SEO involves activities like link building and social media promotion to boost your website's visibility and authority. When it comes to SEO, Google is the dominant search engine, and optimizing for Google's algorithms is crucial. Google constantly updates its algorithms to deliver the best search results to users. Staying updated with these changes is essential for effective SEO. Now, let's talk about the importance of backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence for your website. High-quality backlinks from reputable sources can significantly impact your search engine rankings and help establish your website's authority. To optimize your website further, it's important to focus on both on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website's content, structure, and elements, while off-page SEO focuses on building backlinks and promoting your website through various channels. As we wrap up this video, remember that SEO is an ongoing process. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest SEO trends and techniques is crucial for long-term success. That concludes our in-depth exploration of SEO. We hope you gained valuable insights and a clear understanding of how SEO works. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to check out the resources in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy optimizing!